Hello my dear students, I welcome you to the math class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all are doing well. So let us proceed to our class and let us see what we are going to do today. So in today's class children, we are going to do Math Magic Chapter 2 Fun with Numbers. Okay, we are continuing with Chapter 2 Fun with Numbers. So in today's class, we will solve page number 18, 20 and 21. Children, please note that we are skipping page number 19. Okay, so this is in page number 18 children, where we will write the multiples of 10. That means counting in tens. That means from each number we have to add 10. Okay, the given number we will write the multiples of 10. And children, for counting in 50s is there, so you have to add 50. Okay, 200, 250, 300, 350. In this way it will go on, and you will do this as your home assignment. That means you will do it by your own. Okay, and last one, how far can you go like this? What is the biggest number? You can call out this, you don't have to do. Okay, so next, moving to page number 20 and 21. Here the topic is jumping animals, where you can see there are 3 animals which will jump on different numbers. That means we will deal with the multiples of those numbers here. Okay, so let us proceed to our class children. So children, as I have already mentioned that we are going to do page number 18 today. So in page number 18, we will write counting in tens. That means we will write the multiples of 10. So you know that I know that you have done, the multiple of 10. Yes, table of 10. You know that 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So in today's class, we will do the multiples of 10 and fill the gaps with multiples of 10. That means we will add 10 to each number. Okay, so let us start writing the multiples of 10. So 10, 20, 30. After 30, what comes after 30? After 30, 40. Yes, 10 fours are 40. So we will write 4, 0, 40. After that 5, 0, 50. After that 6, 0, 60. In the same manner, what we will write? 70, 80, 90. We are writing, don't forget, we are writing multiples of 10. That means we are adding 10 to each number. 90, 100, 110 is given, so here 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 190, 200. After that, from here 310 is starting. So 310, after that 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400. Yes, so 720 is given, and there's one dash above 720. So what comes before 720? If we minus 10, 710. Yes, so 720, 708, 720. In this manner, you will fill this dash by adding 10, or you can say by you will put the multiples of 10. Okay children, so let us move to the next page. So next page is page number 19, 20 and 21. Children, remember that we are skipping page number 19. Okay, there's no such things to do from there. You just have to color, sing the number name. So we are skipping page number 19. Let us move to page number 20. So the title of the topic is jumping animals. Yes, you can see there are 3 animals. Yes, Gabru, Bunny, and Taru. Yes, there are 3 animals, Gabru, Bunny and Taru. So Gabru, Bunny and Taru are jumping all the way. Gabru jumps on every 7th box. See, Gabru is a deer. Yes, you can see Gabru is a deer and it jumps on every 7th box. That means if Gabru is in 7th position, next when it take one jump, it will be in 7 plus 7, that is in 14. That means he is jumping on the multiple of 7. Okay, he is jumping on the table of 7. So Gabru is on jumping on every 7th box. In the same manner, Taru, Bunny on every 5th box. Bunny is a rabbit, you can see here, and Bunny is jumping on every 5th box. Gabru is sitting on box number 90. Yes, Bunny is jumping from 99 and Taru is starting its jump from 106 and Taru jumps on every 4th box. That means if Bunny is on jumping from 5, he will directly jump to 10. That means we have to use the multiple of 5 here. And regarding Taru, if Taru is on number 4, he will be next in the box 8. That means we are adding plus 4 for each jump. Okay children, hope this much is clear to you people. So let us see the question answers and let us fill the blanks. So I am telling it again children, Gabru is jumping 7th box. Okay, in its each jump it is jumping on every 7th box. Bunny on every 5th box. Taru is jumping on every 4th box. Gabru starts jumping from number 90. Bunny starts jumping from number 99 and Taru starts jumping from 106. Now let us see the question. What is there in the question? So this is the question, you can see children. Bunny's 10th jump is on number. So here the question is, they are asking about Bunny's 10th jump. Okay, so you know that Bunny is on number 99. Yes, Bunny is on number 99. Now when in each jump he is jumping 5 times. Yes, in each jump he is jumping 5th box. So he will jump 5 into 10. Yes, because the question is Bunny's 10th jump. So when he will jump 10 times, he will jump into 5 into 10 box. That means he will jump into 99 plus 50. Yes, he will jump on 50 plus box. So we have to count 50 plus box. Yes, so 99 plus 50. What is 99 plus 50? 9 plus 0 is 9 and 9 plus 5 is 14. So Bunny's 10th jump will be on 149. Okay, otherwise we can count also children. We have to count 50 because he is jumping every 5th box. So when he jumped on 10 times, he will be jumping 50 times. So 99, yes, 99 to 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He will be in 103 box, 104, after that 109. So in this way he will jump and he will reach 149. Okay, but it will be easier for you by doing these sums. Okay, because he is jumping on every 5th box and when he jump 10 times he will be jumping on from 99 plus 510. So what you will write in the answer? You will write 149. Your answer will be 149. So now next, Taru's 10th jump is on number. Next question is Taru's 10th jump. We know that Taru is jumping 4 times, right? So let me erase it first. So Taru is jumping 10. Taru's 10 jump is on number. Let us start where Taru is. Taru is on 105. Yes, sorry, 106. Taru is on 106. 106, right? Now 106 plus, he is jumping on every 4 numbers, so 4 into 10. Yes, so he is jumping on 106 plus 40, more 14 boxes, so that will be 6 plus 0, 6, 6 plus 4 plus 0, 4. So 106 plus 40 equals to 146. So your answer will be Taru's 10 jump is on number 146. So let me zoom it out and let me write 146 here. The second answer is 146. Okay, your second answer will be 146. Now next, Gabru's 10 jump will be on. Now next is Gabru's 10 jump. Gabru is on number 90. Yes, Gabru is on number 90. Let me erase this calculation. So Gabru's 10 jump will be, let us write where is Gabru, in which number is Gabru. Gabru is on 99 and he is jumping on every 7 box. So 7 into 10 equals to 99 plus 70. Yes, 99 plus 70. So Gabru, 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So Gabru's jump will be on 169. See, 99, Gabru is on number. Okay, Gabru is, sorry children, here little bit mistake is there. Gabru is on number 90. Okay, he is on number 90 plus he is jumping on 7 box. So 7 into 10 is 70. So 90 plus 70 is 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 7 is 160. So Gabru will jump on 116. Children, your next question is Gabru and Bunny both jump on number 104 dash and dash. So I have found here solution which I can make you understand clearly. See, Bunny is jumping. They are telling that they are jumping once at 104. So Bunny is jumping 5 times. Yes. So Bunny is jumping once per 5 box. So plus 5, 109. After that he will jump to 114, 119, 124, 129, 134. After that it will jump to 139. So whereas Gabru will jump next on 111, 118, 125, 132 and 139. So when we are taking the multiple of 5 for Bunny and Gabru multiple of 7, right? So at that time they are jumping together on 139. Okay, so let us write 139 here. So children, in the same manner they will jump both on number 174 when we take the multiple of 5 for Bunny and multiple of 7 for Gabru. Okay children, so after that find out is there. We are skipping find out, so you don't have to do the sum from this. Okay, so thank you children, see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.